Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Reusing plastic bags is an eco-friendly alternative to disposing of. Then again, finding a convenient place to pile the used grocery bags as you wait to reuse them is a great encounter. Without proper storage, they will litter your kitchen cabinet, thereby prompting you to dispose of them. The good news? Invest in the best grocery bag dispenser, and use it to store the plastic bags. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of wall mount plastic bag organizer on the market. If you're looking for more information about the products, you can find it in the description below. Number 1.
After a long and exhausting day, you're done with your shopping spree and you have all these extra bags just laying around. So you have 2 options. Either you can choose to dispose of these bags, or how about making the most of what is in front of you for a greater purpose? Introducing these durable bag dispensers to seal, store, and retain your plastic bags. This is a new gadget that is a must-have in every kitchen. It's beneficial for the environment as it conserves resources, avoids recycling problems, and can be repurposed for other uses as well. This bag dispenser comes in a slick and modern design, is available in 5 colors, and can be used by sticking it or screwing it onto a surface. Are you ready to save money, space, and minimize waste? Our dispenser is a game changer.
Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5.